Our next spooky sound is called bones clicking or bones tapping. You could also just use this for any tapping sound. So normally we hold our bow like this and use the bow hairs. We're just going to tilt our bow just a little bit. I'm not changing up my bow hold. I'm just tilting it a little bit and using the bow stick to tap on the strings. I'm not going to whack it. That's going to hurt our strings and our instrument, but I'm just lightly tapping. If you want a little less of the open string sound, you can mute the strings just by putting your hand over those strings and tap. Again, I'm going very lightly, so I'm not letting it bounce a lot, just light